Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best setting for your LG UltraGear 32GS monitor. First things first, you want to use a display port and you want to navigate through the Windows display setting, advanced display setting, and you just want to choose the highest refresh rate possible. In our case, it's going to be 240 Hz because it will provide us with a smoother and faster display. Now you want to access the OSD, which is going to be the OSD setting for your monitor by tapping the joystick right behind the monitor itself. And simply from there, you want to set it to, once again, 240 Hz. Adaptive sync is going to be on. Game mode, gamer 1. Response time fast, you want to avoid the higher options in there because it can actually cause ghosting. Black stabilizer 50 or 55, dynamic action sync on, and HDR is going to be off for competitive gaming. Now for picture setting, set your brightness to 35 or 45, but of course you want to adjust this according to your room lighting. Contrast 70, sharpness 50, gamma is going to be mode 2, color temperature warm, and color gamut is going to be sRGB. Now for FPS setting, you want to set your refresh rate to 240 Hz. Response time fast once again, adaptive sync on, black stabilizer 55, crosshair optional, but I suggest to turn it off unless your game doesn't have one, and HDR is going to be off right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.